Peter Russell-Clarke, beloved Australian TV chef, dies peacefully at 89. Final words revealed. July 6, 2025, Victoria, Australia. Australia is mourning the loss of one of its most cherished kitchen icons. Peter Russell-Clarke, the face and flavor of Aussie cooking throughout the 1980s, has died at the age of 89, peacefully at home in Victoria. Known for his bright scarves, signature mustache, and that unforgettable greeting, "Gay, come and get it!" Peter became a household name on ABC's Come and Get It, turning everyday meals into moments of joy. His family confirmed the cause of death as natural causes. True to his playful spirit, Peter's final words were, "Tell him I haven't burnt the toast, just taking a break." More than a chef, he was also a painter, poet, and advocate for Australian produce. His cookbooks, humor, and warmth shaped a generation of home cooks. Tributes are flooding in, calling him a legend, a larrikin, and above all, a friend in the kitchen. Peter Russell-Clarke made food fun and made us feel right at home. Rest easy, Peter. The stove's still warm and the stories live on.